Hello, my name is Kenny Horsfield. I'm doing this video on a 2009 Volkswagen TDI. Got a bad exhaust gas temperature sensor. So the code came up about 4 weeks ago. Engine fault workshop, error code 0544 or something like that. And didn't think anything much of it. So I just keep driving it because I'm in school, a little low on money. So couple weeks or 1 week in driving it, the diesel particulate filter light came on. So I looked into it a little bit online, and when the exhaust gas temperature sensor goes, the regeneration cycle doesn't come on, so the exhaust gets all clogged up with carbon. So yeah, I'm gonna try and replace this exhaust gas temperature sensor. I was looking online how to do it, but no one has any good input on where it is or whatever. So kind of just doing this by myself here. So the sensor is the black one. This one I got them unplugged now. There's a black one, my black one sitting behind here, and then orange one sat right here. That one's for another temperature sensor. But anyway, I got it all. I got the wires sheath off of it right now, and I was just kind of following the wire down, and I measured the impedance on it, and it has nothing, so it means there's no continuity through the temperature sensor, so it's bad. Yeah, so we'll start ripping it apart here. So the passenger side drive axle is out. Took it out with a number 10 3 square German socket. There's 6 of them along here that go into the gearbox, and then on this end, this goes into the hub assembly, and there is it's what millimeter is this? I think it was a 17 millimeter. Oh, here it is. Nope, 15/16 socket. Take that out. So after I remove my drive axle, I remove the EGR valve, the exhaust gas recirculation, and that gave me access back here. Let's see. So the EGR was here, and then the sensor I had to get at was actually in behind over. You can probably see where it plugs in. Somewhere, yeah, right there. So here's my old EGT sensor. Just got it out. It's kind of bent and stuff from me getting at it. But what I did is I got my 17 millimeter ratcheting wrench, and I followed the line because I had already cut it. Followed through down here, just like this, and then followed it in, and then my wrench actually has a swivel on it like that, so I could get the right angle on it, and I got it out, no problem. So, well, I couldn't say no problem, it took me a little bit, but it's finally out, and I'm gonna go in with the new right here. You're not supposed to touch it because it contaminates the end, so you gotta be careful about that. So, yeah.